Hello guys, hello and welcome on this my channel, and today again with a new video to provide you some precious knowledge at your service. As I had said in the previous video that I am going to discuss about three more types of adjectives in this video. In previous video I had discussed about three types of adjectives, whereas I had said you that there are six types of adjectives, and first video was about three types of adjectives, and this video it is about three more types of adjectives. And today we are going to discuss about demonstrative adjective, introgative and possessive adjective. So without wasting time, let's begin. First, demonstrative. Now what is demonstrative means? The demonstrative word itself tells you that something about pointing out at something. Pointing out at something means demonstrative adjective. Now what is actually pointing out means not showing fingers actually. Framing the sentence which points out at certain thing is called demonstrative. It may be thing, it may be person, it may be animal, it may be anything. So directly let's look at examples. Have a look at your screens. This room is mine. Now what is demonstrative adjective here? This is the adjective which is of demonstrative adjective. Now here you may say that it is pronoun also. Now let me clear your confusion first. Don't mix up yourself with pronoun and adjective. Here this becomes adjective because this room is mine. Whereas if I say this is my room, it will be pronoun. But when I'm saying this room is mine, it becomes here adjective. When the thing which you're pointing out at comes directly after the pronoun, it becomes an adjective. Whereas I'm saying this room is mine, so here this becomes adjective. If I say this is my room, the thing or the person which I'm pointing at comes last, it becomes pronoun. Whereas the thing which I'm pointing at comes the second, just after uttering the pronoun, it becomes adjective. Here demonstrative adjective means if I say this room is mine, here this becomes adjective. Look at another example and you'll understand it better. If I say those pets are mine. Now see, when I'm saying those pets, what I'm pointing at? Pets. So pets here when comes at second. So see those, look at the screen. Those pets. If I say those are my pets, those are my pets, it will be pronoun. It cannot be adjective. But when I'm saying here those pets are mine, pets comes here second, whereas in the second sentence which I've given on the screen, those are my pets, it becomes pronoun because the thing which I'm pointing at is come last. Something's there in the middle, and when that middle thing is there, it becomes pronoun. Whereas I'm nothing now in this sentence, those pets are mine. Here there is nothing in middle. Directly the thing which I'm pointing at comes the next. When the things comes the next, it becomes adjective. And what is the adjective? Demonstrative adjective. Look at another example on your screen. That building is where I live. Okay, that building is where I live. Now what is the thing I'm pointing at? Building. That building, that is the building where I live. That is the is in the middle. What it will become? Pronoun. But here nothing is there in middle. I'm directly saying that building is where I live. That is the building where I live, it will be pronoun. If I say that is the building where I live, it will be pronoun. But here I am saying that building is where I live. That building, the thing which I'm pointing at comes the next. Constantly it comes the next. Okay, direct next thing, which thing I'm pointing at comes the next, it is adjective. And what is the adjective? Demonstrative adjective. Look at the last example of demonstrative adjective. These plates are dirty. Focus. These plates are dirty. These plates are dirty. Okay, plates. What is the thing I'm pointing at? These plates. Plates is the thing I'm pointing at, which has come directly next after the pronoun used. Okay, these plates are dirty. If I say these are dirty plates, these are dirty plates, what is the difference between both the sentences? The first sentence, if I say these plates are dirty, it becomes adjective. Whereas second sentence I'm saying these are dirty plates, it becomes pronoun. You understand the difference? Again and again I'm giving you the sentence on the screen. Look at it, jot it down so that you may understand the difference very well, or else you will get confused. Okay, and what we are talking about? Demonstrative. Now before being with the next, let me tell you some rules of demonstrative adjective. The basic rules. You remember the video I have made in adverb? There were 5 rules of adverbs. What was those? How, where, when, how much and how often. Same rule applies in adjective in a different form. That the rule here is that, this, these and those. These words which I have mentioned on the screen, that, this, these and those, are the words used for demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective, these words are compulsorily used, and wherever these words are used, it is demonstrative adjective. But you need to know how to use these words in the form of demonstrative adjective, or else these words can also be called as pronoun, and that is what I'm stressing on. Don't get confused between pronoun sentence and demonstrative adjective sentence. Demonstrative adjective, I have told you, the thing, the person, the animal which I'm pointing at will come the next. Here I am pointing out at things. I have said these plates are dirty. The plates come the next. Next is the plate. Thing which I am pointing comes the next. Or if I say these are dirty plates, these are dirty plates, plates comes the last. When the thing which I am pointing at comes the last, it cannot be adjective. It is directly tells you that pronoun. But when I'm saying adjective, the thing will directly come the next. Okay, you have got clear with the concept. Let's move to the next type of adjective, that is introgative adjective. What is introgative adjective? Introgative, the word itself tells you that interrogation. Interrogation means pointing out at or asking questions. Sorry, not pointing out at, asking questions. You may have heard the sentence most of the time, there was an interrogation between two people. Interrogation, what does interrogation here mean? Asking question, the questions asked, the questionnaire, or asking question to each other. Interrogation, there was interrogation between two people. Okay, interrogation between police and the criminal. Interrogation, interrogation means asking questions. Now let's look at example and make it more simpler. Before again moving to this examples, let me tell you the rules of interrogation adjective. The rules of demonstrative adjective were that, this, these and those. Here it will be who, whose, whom, which and what. You understand? Who, whom, which, whose and what. See, look at the screen. Who, whose, whom, which and what. These are the rules applied for interrogative adjective. Now let's look at the examples. Which bag is yours? Now see, what I have told you in the demonstrative adjective, the thing which I am pointing at comes the next. Same rule applies in interrogative adjective. The thing which I am pointing at comes the next. As soon as I apply, say the word which is actually a pronoun. But after the pronoun, when the thing I'm pointing at comes the next, it becomes an adjective. And what kind of adjective? Interrogative adjective. I have said, which bag is yours? Which bag? Which bag? I have said, which is your bag? Which is your bag becomes here pronoun. Pronoun and adjective, there are big chances of getting confused, but when I'm giving a sentence on the screen, jot it down and try to compare. What is the difference? Simple difference. Need not stress on your brain. Which bag is yours? If I say which is your bag, the thing which I'm pointing at comes the last. When the thing which I'm pointing at comes the last, bit naturally it will become pronoun. But the thing which I'm pointing at comes the next, it will become adjective. If I say, whose bag is this? See, the same example but in a different form. Which was the one rule. Second rule applied is whose. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Here becomes adjective. Whose is this bag? See, the second sentence I'm applying. Whose is this bag? The thing which I'm pointing at is coming to the last now. See, the thing which what is the thing I'm pointing at? Bag. Now, bag which I'm pointing at comes at the last. Now, what it will be? Pronoun. But the thing which I'm pointing at, if comes the second or the next after it, it will be adjective. Okay. See, don't get confused. See, pronoun sentence here is what the example which I have. Whose bag is this? If I say, whose is this bag? whose is this bag here becomes pronoun. See, this thing which I'm pointing at comes the last. When it comes to the last, it becomes pronoun. But the thing which I'm pointing at, if it comes the second or the next, it bit naturally it will become adjective. And what kind of adjective? Introgative adjective. The last example of introgative adjective here, what color is your uniform? See the sentence, what color is your uniform? What is the color of your uniform? If I ask like this, what it will be? Pronoun. But what I'm asking, what color is your uniform? What color? What color is your uniform? See, the question I'm asking here is different, and the second sentence which I'm making is different. What is the color of your uniform? What color is your uniform? The thing which I'm pointing at comes the last. When it comes the last, it becomes pronoun. You understand? Now, let's move the last type of adjective, that is possessive adjective. See, as I told you, the word which I say has the meaning in its own. Possessive, the word you must have heard 1,000 times. In daily life, we use the sentence, you're being very possessive about your own things. Now, what the possessive here means? Showing the ownership. Ownership on anything, any particular thing is possessive. Possessive attitude, possessive nature. You've heard the sentences, right? Now let's apply this in the sentence form. Look at the screens. Examples are being flashed. It appears with the noun. First, the rule. Rule here is it appears with the noun. Means any noun, any noun. Okay. It appears with that, it is possessive. Look at the examples. Tina left her bag at home. Now, what is possessive adjective here? Tina left her bag at home. Her bag. You understand? Her bag. Now what is that her bag specify here? That it is specifying that it is Tina's bag. It is none other's bag, but it is Tina's bag. Her bag. Why that marking is made? Her bag. Her bag. It tells you that it is her bag. It is no one's, but it is hers. Another example, our house is small. Now, what is possessive adjective here? Our. Our house. It is no one other house. It is no one's. It is our. Our house. Our house. Our house is small. My car is big. See, the sentence is used. My car. My car. It tells you something possessiveness. Possessiveness is displayed in these sentences, that it is directly telling you it is someone's car, which in the sentence it tells you it is my car. If I say my car is big, I'm directly telling you that it is my car. Directly being possessive about my own things, showing ownership. Last example, where is my pen? My pen. Directly I'm telling you. Directly means indirectly I'm making a sentence which I'm directly making a message to you that it is my, showing my ownership on anything. It is being possessive. I'm being possessive about my things. Where is my pen? Where is my pen? My. I'll not send where is the pen? Where is the pen? Pen can be any words, but when I'm specifying where is my pen means I'm directly telling you that it is my pen. It is no one else, but it is my. Okay, so here being possessive means showing ownership on anything. It is possessive adjective. So today's 3 adjectives are a bit clear. Let me tell you, the pronouns what you study in your grammar there are many types of pronouns also. The thing which I mentioned here, introgative, demonstrative, possessive, number, quality, quantity, this is applicable in pronoun also. Interrogative pronoun is there, demonstrative pronoun is there, possessive pronoun is also there, but this thing I'm applying in adjective, because pronoun we naturally can get understand, but it is difficult to make comparison between adjective and pronoun when it comes to its types. Okay, we all know a simple type of pronoun, we all know a simple type of adjective, but when it comes to its types, it's a little difficult. Okay, for now it was this much. It's a wrap on this video, and I will make another video on another topic of grammar in the next video. Till then, goodbye.